Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPO Coding. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel BPO Coding. Today we are going to see the third method of removing the initials from the name column in Power Query Advanced Editor. So as you see on the screen, this is the entire M query or M code to remove the initials from this name column. Also remember, this will only exclude or remove the initials which have been mentioned over here specifically in this list, and then it will add a column beside this column, and then it will clean up the entire initials for this code. Now let me expand this for a better view. So this is the entire mQuery code for removing the initials from the name code. Now let's run this. So as you see on the screen that the initials are now been removed and we are getting only the names of the people. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Code.